a story to be heard. Little red bird, tell me what are your words? You fly up so high, all you see is the sky in your eyes. The sun up above will help you soar like a dove as it shines. So just fly in the sky. Won't you fly away? Can't make you stay, it's your life. So just fly. Little red bird, you don't wanna be hurt. Little red bird, perched up on those power lines, you're bound to get burned. And I don't know you, but I don't want you to be alone. Please just fly away. The sky is nice today, it's your home. So just fly in the sky. Won't you fly away? Can't make you stay, it's your life. So just fly. Today, would you find a way to make it okay? Help me fall asleep all in my bed. Can you fly for me, please, little red? Please fly, don't die. I won't ever see the same sky. It's lost its blue without you. Please, little red, go home soon. Just fly, just fly, just fly, just fly, just fly.